What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'll be giving you guys another update on Hoppy. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
All right, so we absolutely love to see it. Bitcoin has finally gotten the breakout. We are back to 64,100. And this is awesome to see because for the last several weeks, I've been talking about how Bitcoin needs to get back above the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame. And yesterday we got the breakout. This candle opened at 60,300 and it closed at 64,000. Now, I would like to point out that on the daily time frame, the stochastics are getting a little bit overbought, and that's the same for the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour, the RSI is pretty overbought. So oftentimes you will see Bitcoin start to consolidate or flag out. And that's actually kind of what it's doing right now. And ideally, while this flag starts to fill out, the RSI and stochastics will start to reset. And then as the moving averages come up, price action could get a bounce off of them as a support level. Now, what will be very nice to see is that if Bitcoin can hold these levels, the 50-day will eventually cross the 200-day, which will be a golden cross. And usually when you have a golden cross, that signals an explosive move is coming. Now, I still want you guys to understand the bigger picture of Bitcoin right now, because we're not completely in the clear yet. And I've been talking about this in pretty much all of my previous videos. So basically, if you look at like the 10-day time frame, Bitcoin had that super explosive run up to new all-time highs. But then ever since then, we've just been consolidating. And we're basically just in a giant bull flag or a giant falling wedge. Either way, they break up 68% of the time. And if this bull flag were to actually break up to the measured move, it would take us to around 119, 120,000. Now, obviously, that's not guaranteed to play out, but it's still something to keep your eyes on. If you look at the RSI and stochastics, they both have legs to push up, and there is a Class C bullish divergence. And that is very rare on this large of a time frame. And this is kind of what I've been saying. Honestly, Bitcoin looks very good on the larger time frames. Everyone was panicking on the day-to-day time frame because Bitcoin was just getting hammered there for a little bit. But when you actually zoom out, we look very good. Not to mention the 10-day has just broken above the 21-day moving average. So my point to all of this is do not be surprised if we are absolutely skyrocketing by the time October or November roll around. There is definitely a chance that that's happening, which obviously could be very good for the rest of the market. And if you look at meme coins right now, they are actually performing very well. Dogecoin's up 10%, SHIB is up 16%, Pepe's up 25%, WIF is up 33%. And then if you scroll down, you can see Hoppy's up 45% in the last week, but just in the last day, they are up 60%. That is the kind of stuff you love to see. When Bitcoin is showing strength, you want your altcoin or meme coin to show strength. And if you take a look at Hoppy on DEX tools, they're at a $25.5 million market cap. But you can see they have had a very nice explosion. They went from about 16 million up to about 27 million. But if we zoom out and we actually look at the bigger picture, like the daily time frame, you can see Hoppy had its initial run up, but then it got completely sold off, which is very natural for meme coins. But now if you look at this daily candle, that is extremely bullish. And as long as Bitcoin actually plays ball, in my personal opinion, this could be the start of a reversal. But first, I would like to see us get back above this previous local high, which is at about 4 zeros and then 7525. If we can break this level, then I will truly begin to get bullish. But yeah, in general, Hoppy's looking very good, and they're even trending on DEX tools right now, number 9. And then if you look at their X account, they're still growing consistently. They're up to 22,000 followers. And what I would like to point out is that they actually just changed their logo. As you guys can see, this frog is different. You guys will be able to check my thumbnails because this is the frog I'm going to use for this video I'm currently recording. But it's different than the one in all of my other videos. But I love to see that Hoppy is still posting on here every day. Look at the engagement they're getting. This is crazy. This was posted 3 hours ago and it already has 102,000 views. And I do actually recommend watching this. It's kind of funny. But yeah, they continue posting on here every day, which again is very important. That keeps your community engaged. And at the end of the day, community is what is going to drive price action because it's going to build hype around a project. And they even reposted your boy on August 21st. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me. You guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And as most of you guys know, I initially called Hoppy at a $580,000 market cap on April 21st. So had you guys been in here, you could have made enormous gains. Just to put this in perspective, if you guys had invested $1,000, your $1,000 would have been worth around $150,000. Those are life-changing gains to most people. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. All of these projects come with extremely high risk. It is very important that you always understand your own risk tolerance. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think Hoppy will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.